Hi there. So I've been debating on making a YouTube channel for a while. I kind of have one, but it's not LPS based. So today I thought I'd do an unboxing. I have this from 2006. It hasn't been opened. I bought it for $20 from Mercari, and I think I would probably like to unbox it now. I've had it for a couple of months, and I just think that we're ready. So, sit down here. Okay. So this is Saint Bernard 145, and like I said, the package is from 2006. Hasbro. The back. And this is the front. This is technically the only LPS I have right now, because my brother took off with my other ones. So. Trying to keep the pieces intact. Whoop. So, this is so cute. I'm gonna leave that in there. This LPS comes with a ski mask, a sled, the pet, some earmuffs, and a neck piece, I guess. Oh boy. We've got a lot of rubber bands here. It's been so long since I've unboxed an LPS. This is the snowmobile. Here are the ski mask. Here's the pet, the Saint Bernard. He's so cute. That's there. And the last of it. Ooh, it's hard to get off. Difficult. Ah, there we go. Oh my god, he's so cute. He needs his collar back. Oh my goodness. Oh, that doesn't stay on. Very good. And it's on the floor. Alright, so this is what we're working with, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, our non-binary folk. These are his earmuffs. They still got the rubber band on them. Whoops. And his snowmobile. And lastly, the hang on. Oh boy. Oh, look at all these. Oh my goodness, there's my favorite one. I'm ordering this one next, hopefully. The Spaniel. Oh my goodness. This is so old, y'all. And all the play sets. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm definitely saving that. So, hang on. Let me find his collar here. It's fine. We can forget it for now. Let's take the rubber bands off. His earmuffs. Okay. That collar doesn't stay on well anyways, so maybe we should just leave it off. Oh, he's so cute. His head bobbles. Oh my goodness. I love him so much. Oh my goodness, he's so sweet. I haven't had an LPS in a long time, and I've been waiting for forever to unbox this one. Yeah, like I said, $20 for Macari, 100% authentic, because he just came out of the package. But he's so sweet, oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm hoping to maybe unbox some more LPS if I find some that are not too expensive. So subscribe, I guess, if you want to see more unboxings, and I'm going to be filming videos with every LPS that I order, probably, so they won't just all be unboxings, but I will unpackage them and show you guys what I bought. So yeah, thank you for watching. Isn't he cute? I love him so much. He's so sweet. Okay, bye guys.